Google search CrackU free CAT mocks. Click on the first link. You can attempt 3 latest mocks in the actual exam interface. After completing the test, you get detailed solutions, analysis, and percentile along with your scorecard to gauge your All India performance. Click on the solutions to get video solutions from our expert faculty.
Hello guys, welcome to CrackU video series. In this video, we'll be discussing about how to prepare for the general awareness section in the IIFT entrance exam. As we all know, the Indian Institute of Foreign Trade or IIFT is considered as one of the top B schools in our country, and it's consistently ranked among the top 15 B schools of our country. The IIFT entrance exam has been scheduled for 5th December 2021. So with roughly 10 days to go for the exam, many candidates have a lot of questions on how to prepare for the GK section. So in this video, let us have a look at how to prepare for the same. First, let us quickly take a look at the exam pattern of IIFT. So these are the sections that are tested in the IIFT entrance exam. As we can see, the general awareness section consists of 20 questions with 1.5 mark per each question with a total of 30 marks. Also remember that there is a negative marking of -1 in each of these sections, and in the GK section the negative marking is 0.5 marks per question. Also, if you are a serious IIFT aspirant, you must take at least 5 IIFT mocks before the exam date, that is December 5. We are offering 5 IIFT mocks at just ₹299. So these are based on the latest IIFT exam pattern. You can check these mocks. You can check the link for the same in the description box below. So taking the mocks that mimic the exam pattern, syllabus, interface and the difficulty level are very important for the IIFT preparation. Also, since it's a 2-hour exam and there is also no sectional time limit, taking mocks is extremely important because you need to come up with the right strategy to implement during the exam. You should also definitely solve the previous IIFT papers. So solving the previous papers will make you comfortable for the actual exam, and this can also help you know what kind of questions are asked in the exam. Again, you can go to our website, check out all the previous year's papers of IIFT, and you can attempt them like an actual test. Alright, as the GK section is an important section in the IIFT exam, let us now see how to prepare for the GK section of IIFT. So how and what to prepare for the general awareness section is a common question asked by a lot of aspirants, but remember that there is no hard and fast rule or specific sources to prepare from, unlike the other sections. Remember that you have to follow the current affairs on a regular basis and also prepare for the other GK questions. So you have to spend at least 30 minutes every day for the general awareness section. Also, preparing for this section can be an uphill task if you don't know where to begin with or what to begin with. As the topics that can be tested from this section are broad, aspirants must be extremely selective while preparing. So avoid preparing topics that do not promise good returns. Also, though the total weightage this section carries is less, one must remember that they must clear the sectional cutoff in this section to be considered for the further process. So as we all know, there are 2 broad categories from which the questions are asked. So that is the static GK and the dynamic GK. The weightage for both these parts is similar. So make sure you prepare for both these type of GK questions to avoid any unpleasant surprises. Also, additionally, there are specifically these business affairs related questions. So the business affairs related GK questions. So IIFT has a proclivity for asking questions related to business, and hence reading a business newspaper daily, such as the Mint or the Economic Times or the Business Standard, will help the aspirants to answer the questions related to these topics. So apart from these 2 type of questions, ensure that you prepare from this topic as well. So let us look at some broad topics that you can prepare from under the dynamic GK and the static GK. So this is more of current affairs. So make sure you are updated with all the current affairs, the recent happenings, especially those events that happened in the past 1 year. Anything related to India's recent position in the rankings is very important. So try to know the ranking of India in various surveys like the ease of doing business and such things. Also read about the persons in the news recently, the major international agreements that happened recently, and also the countries and their current leaders, and also the companies and their leaders or CEOs. Also do learn about the venues that have been selected to host the Olympics, Commonwealth Games, and the major tournaments such as the FIFA World Cup, the ICC World Cup and so on. And also do read about things such as the Oscar winners, the Nobel Prize winners, especially in the past 1 year. Also, instead of just skimming through the list of winners, try to know about the work for which they were awarded. And yes, do have a thorough knowledge about the recent initiatives taken by the Indian government, and also read about the events that India hosted in the past 6 months. And as mentioned, do read about the heads of various companies, the current CEOs. So that is the business related. These can include various questions ranging from the subsidiaries of conglomerates, the recent mergers and acquisitions, and also the recent bids to manage and develop so and so airports or major constructions and all such things, like which company has won the recent bid to manage so and so airport, etc. So a question or two can appear from these topics. Also, speaking of the subsidiaries of conglomerates, this was one of the questions that appeared in the 2019 paper of IIFT. So this question is about the different juice brands and their parent company. You need to match these with their parent companies, and these are the options given. Okay, so there'll be 4 options given. So one of the options is missing from this image, and the right option here is C. So you should also be aware of such things, the brands and the manufacturers. For example, Tropicana is manufactured by the PepsiCo India, Real Fruit Juice by Dabur, and so on. It also helps to learn about the major performance indices provided by various international organizations. For example, this was one of the questions that appeared in the recent IIFT exam. So this question asks about the Global Multidimensional Poverty Index is released by which of the following? So the global MPI is an international measure of acute multidimensional poverty covering over 100 developing countries. So this index complements the traditional poverty measures by capturing the deprivations in the health, education and the living standards that a person faces simultaneously. So basically this index is measured across 3 dimensions such as the health, education and the living standards, and across 10 indicators, 10 different indicators such as nutrition, child mortality, the years of schooling, school attendance and so on. So basically the point is you need to be aware of such major performance indices released by various international organizations so that you'll be able to answer such questions. And by the way, the answer to this question is C, Oxford Poverty and Human Development Initiative. Alright, now let us see how to prepare for the static GK portion. Firstly, the superlatives are important. So this is nothing but the first, the largest, the biggest and all such things. That is the first person to achieve so and so, or the largest international organization to achieve so and so and all such things. And also apart from that, read about the countries' capitals. So their capitals and their currencies and other related stuff. And also do read about the international organizations, their headquarters, and also members of organizations such as the SAARC or ASEAN, BIMSTEC or the Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation. So the intergovernmental forums like these is another important topic from which the questions can appear. For example, this was the question asked on ASEAN, that is the Association of Southeast Asian Nations. So this was the question from IIFT 2021 exam. So which of the following country is not a member of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations? And the answer is B, Bangladesh. And also the countries and their borders. So try to know about the basic geographical borders of different countries, especially those surrounding India and those present in Asia. And also learn about the famous biographies, especially of the business people. And you can also know about the biopics, that is movies with the personality on whose life it is based. And also the famous awards and the recent recipients of those awards. So basically this should come here. And also apart from this, do learn about the famous sports personalities and the sports they are associated with, and also the sports related terminology. Like for example, a question was asked in the previous year based on these sports terminology. The question was, birdie and eagle are 2 terms related to which of the following sports? And you must know such things. The answer is golf, by the way. And also as mentioned, do brush up basic geography. And also maybe you can brush up a few questions from chemistry, like common names of chemicals, because a few questions have appeared in the past. And also most importantly, do revise the basic details about India, various states of India, various dance forms, and also various festivals celebrated in those particular states, and so on. And also questions like these. So this was again another question from the recent IFT paper. So for all these type of questions, you must definitely go through the previous year paper of IFT. So the link for the same is provided in the description box below. So you must go through the previous year's papers so that you will understand, you'll get to know what kind of questions are asked in the exam. This will also enable you to prepare accordingly. And finally, let's quickly take a look at the cutoffs. Firstly, remember that while attempting the test, avoid guesswork, because don't forget that there is negative marking in the exam and you should avoid guessing any answers. Attempt only those questions you're confident about. Make sure you read the questions and the options properly before marking the answer. In one of the previous papers, the sectional cutoff for this section was less than a mark. So the low cutoffs explain the difficulty level of this section. So just answering around 6 to 7 questions correctly can help you clear the sectional cutoff. Also, performing well in this GK section can help you balance time in the exam in other sections, because since it's GK, you either know the answer or you don't know the answer. Hence, you can attempt a section in less time, and if you're well prepared, you can score as high as 5 to 6 marks in this section within 10 minutes. So this time that is saved here can be put to better use by attempting questions from other sections. So remember that there's sectional cutoff and there's an overall cutoff as well, and make sure you do not fall short of the sectional cutoff. And also, since there is no sectional time limit in IIFT, you can finish your strong sections and also the GK section quickly and allot more time to your weaker areas. And hence, preparing well for this section helps you save some time which you can allot to other sections. So this was the sectional cutoff in the GK section based on the previous year. Remember that the cutoffs may vary depending on the difficulty level of the paper. So the total marks were 30 and the cutoff for the general and the OBC category is 5.5, and for the other categories it's 4.5 marks. So these are based on the previous year. And these scores are out of a total composite score of 100. So for the general category, a total score of 43.5 marks were needed out of a composite score of 100, and these are the scores required for the other categories. So finally, as a summary, remember to keep yourself aware of the latest happenings. Allot at least 30 minutes to 1 hour for the IIFT GK section every day. Please go through the previous year's papers, and you must take at least 5 mocks before the exam. So if you can follow these things, you can crack the GK section and also the IIFT exam. Remember that last year over 70% weightage was given to your entrance score, that is IIFT entrance score, to shortlist the candidates for the interview. So even though your ACADS are poor, you can get a call from IIFT if you perform well in the entrance exam, and hence focus on maximizing your score in the entrance exam. So thank you so much guys, and all the best for your preparation.